This brand can be purchased directly through their website, at Target, Best Buy, and Walmart, or directly through their Amazon store, and they are backed by a very good warranty. The CYLO51 model is a basic 3-stage purifier with a 3-speed fan and a coverage area of 100 square feet with a 77 CFM delivery rate, while the Purio model is designed for the baby nursery and has an 89 CFM delivery rate. The PCO375 DC model is a 5-stage purifier with an air quality sensor that can control the 8-speed fan when the unit is in the auto mode and provides a visual color indicator of the current air quality. It has a ionizer and UV light with a coverage area of 179 square feet with a 139 CFM delivery rate, while the PCO575 DC model has a 258 square feet coverage area with a 176 CFM delivery rate. The AC350 model is a 3-stage desktop purifier with a 220 square feet coverage area and a 152 CFM delivery rate, while the AC550 is a floor-standing model with a 335 square feet coverage area with a 218 CFM delivery rate. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.